Very good evening to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you for all today's meeting. My special welcome to William Batchelor, Dean College of Agriculture, Auburn University, Auburn, Alabama, USA, Mr. Dr. M.S. Reddy, Associate Research Professor, Department of Entomology and Plant Pathology, and also he is also the Asian member of Asian PGR Society for Sustainable Agriculture and delegation members of the Auburn University and friends. Indian economy is mostly dominated by agrarian. The agriculture sector contributes almost 33% to our GDP, supports 64% of workforce, and earns about 19% of our exports. Today, the country is endowed with a large production base for a variety of raw materials, covering food crops, commercial crops, and fibers due to its proven agro-climatic conditions. India is now ranked as the world's second largest producer of food next to China. It is also the world's largest producer of cereals and milk, second largest producer of rice, wheat, sugar, fruits, vegetables, and inland fish, and third largest producer of cotton and seventh largest producer of marine fish products. Andhra Pradesh state has a bountiful natural resources endowed with fertile land, water, and conducive agro-climatic conditions. It is an agriculturally prosperous state and largest producer of rice in India. The state is also the leading producer of cash crops like tobacco, groundnut, chilies, turmeric, oilseeds, cotton, sugar, and jute. It produces some of the finest fruit varieties of mangoes, grapes, sapota, papaya, and bananas, etc. The government has taken many qualitative initiatives and missions to strengthen the farm credit delivery system for providing credit at affordable rates of interest to support the resources requirements of the agriculture sector. The emphasis of these initiatives is to provide timely and adequate credit support to farmers with particular focus on small and marginal farmers. The initiatives try to enable and motivate the farmers to adopt a modern technology and improve agriculture practices for increasing agricultural production and productivity. In Andhra Pradesh, in addition to the State Agriculture University, that is Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University, institutions of Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) and International Crop Research Institute of Semi-Arid Tropics, ICRISAT, Water and Land Management Training and Research Institutes, National Institute of Agriculture Extension Management, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, and various other institutions are involved in the agriculture research and development. Andhra Pradesh is proposing to have an agri-business investment region involving major agri-clusters in areas of three of its geopolitical regions. The agri-business investment region project in Andhra Pradesh will be taken up by a public-private partnership model involves setting up an integrated infrastructure for rural business and entrepreneurial development, attracting total investments of about 67,000 crores.